Hey.
Hi, buddy.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it.
Avocado face, baby. Avocado.
An angry face, baby?
I'm gonna eat it, Dad.
What? Max, advent calendars are for
No,
one
I
night
want
only.
a new phone.
A new bonus treat?
Yeah.
A double extra bonus
Olive
treat?
Yeah.
boy.
You better go find one for you there, buddy. How about banana?
No.
How about meat bites?
No.
How about lasagna?
No.
Right. How about eggs?
Yeah. Yeah, eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah.
Do you want eggs for a bonus treat?
Yeah.
Are you going to eat them?
Go. I'm not. I'm going to keep it like an egg. I'm going to keep it like an egg, okay?
More, please? You betcha. Good job, Brody. Please. Thank you.
Egg.
It's a corn egg.
No,
Thank you.
I want egg.
Eggs?
Yeah, egg.
Eggs are not a good treat.
Yes, they are. Can I have?
How about one cookie?
Yes.
One, Max. Just one. Not two, not three, just one. You already have two. Come on.
Brody loves avocados and black olives. More olives, please.
All right, let's
Good job. Thank you.
Good.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Please, more. Wow, more olives. Thank you. We've got to put this on YouTube. Now you've got the hiccups. He's got the hiccups. No cookies. Yep. Max has one, but Brody cannot have a cookie. Sorry, buddy. Stick with the olive. Yeah, you're better off with the olive. Yeah, you are. Now you're boycotting the olives. Okay. Okay. Are we done with the olives? Bye-bye, olives. Yeah, you're leaving with the olives?